So, this is the beginning of a new series. And the series will be, as you can see behind me, is an old lawn mowing tractor. Yes, very pretty, isn't it? Yeah. Anyway, we're going to be turning this lawnmower into something electric. More specifically, we're going to be turning it electric. And we're going to make a couple changes to it too, other than just making it electric. So, I'm going to hop on to my computer and I'm going to show you a couple changes we're going to make. Also, the game we're going to use is called Besiege. Yeah, just so you know. I could probably use something else, but I don't. I like Besiege. I also don't actually own any other games that'll do the job, so yeah. Anyway, let's get to it. I just spoke like my dad. Man, that's sad. I hope you're not watching this, Dad.